Hi everyone, how is it going with you, Yaroslav Shvets? And probably it's not a secret for you for be healthy and fit. It's really important factor. It's healthy ingredients, healthy food. So today I will tell you how to do the sunflower seeds powder. So you can store it and use this powder for make some sweets, super healthy sweets later on, or let's say mayonnaise, or you can cook something else, and it will be suitable for vegetarians, not vegetarians, vegans, raw foodists, and so on. But yeah, I want to make a few videos about some recipe for the raw foodists. So first of all, we take the seeds. So maybe you buy a ready one, or you can clean it up from the peels. And we put it in the water. Usually I put it in over the night, yeah, and after dry it. So afterwards, something like that. Afterwards, I'll soak the water. It's get a bit bigger and softer. If you want to make a mayonnaise or some sauce, so basically we can just clean it up, and when it's already soft and absorb the water, you can put in a blender or whatever you have and make it straight away. Or otherwise, we will do the powder today. So I'll leave it for overnight, and this one's ready one. So if you can see, it's a little bit bigger, a little bit softer, and that's it. And we put it in the blender or mixer or whatever you have, and blend it up, and we'll make a powder. Simple as that. If you don't have a blender, well, you can do it manually by using some exercises. And then you can put it in some plastic bag, but I not suggest you to use a plastic. Much better if you can use some metal cans or glass, the best one, and so on. And later on you can cook a lot of cool stuff. So next videos I'll show you how to cook raw foodist mayonnaise from the sunflower seeds powder, or just from raw sunflowers. Okay, so later on will be more cool recipe. Stay tuned.